doing bidet installation day. The girls have been super excited that mommy and daddy have a bidet and they've been using our bathroom. So we got them their own and we're installing it. How's it coming there now, Bells?
Fine.
Fine. They're grossed out by the toilet. Let's say we're learning how to do it. Let's check back in just a minute. All right, so we're connecting water lines on there. We've got some of them back on, but we're slowly getting there. This is tough, huh, Nellies? Yeah, you look like you're having a great time. I can tell. Jasmine's down there giving it a shot. How's it going, Jasmine? Good. Okay, hopefully we'll get it on soon. All right, we're getting it connected to the bidet.
Okay.
Almost final step. You turn it on the water? Okay, turn on the water. Let's see what happens. So I'd say it's safe to say we didn't tighten it all the way, huh?
Did you get wet? No, I did not.
Okay, so
You need a shower.
I think we need to tighten it a little bit more.
Yeah. No, I don't think we need to tighten it.
All right. Okay, so we're gonna try for a third time. Let's see how it goes. Leaking underneath?
Yep.
Okay, well, let's turn it off. And now we got leaks up top too. Nope. Nope.
No.
Let's fix it again. All right, here we go with the tip number 4. Oh, we still got a little leaking.
Is this supposed to be going in?
Yes, that's supposed to go in there. All right, one more try. We're gonna do attempt number 6. Go ahead, Jasmine. We did a little bit of more tightening.
No leaks.
How's it looking? No leaks there. That's doing what it's supposed to. All right. I think all that we gotta do now is test the bidet. All right, so we're gonna do attempt number 1 on the bidet. Sure. So try the bottom one. The one that looks like a butt. Oh, yep, I think that's working just fine. So I think the bidet is working.
Okay, I'm glad I moved all the way back here.
Might have shot that a tad bit too high. Sorry, Elsa. Sorry, Anna. You just got sprayed with the
Just
bidet.
one more.
Oh, you want to try one more time?
Let's try the people. Okay.
Yep. I'd say that's working. Okay, we can turn that off. There we go. All right. Good job. All right, girls. So you just finished your bidet. How was it?
Interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What'd you learn?
Never give up.
All right. What'd you learn?
First try is not a charm, and third time is not a good charm. I thought third time would be the lucky charm. No, it was 6.
Not sure we got it on the 6th try. But good job, girls. You should be proud of yourselves.
Yes.
Making a bidet, huh? Or installing a bidet.
Yep.
Yup.